Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I will show you how to reset your Whirlpool washer in 2026. So first of all, what you can do is you can just simply unplug the washer from the wall, then press and hold the power button and wait for about 10 seconds. Then you can wait for another 1 minute and then plug it back in. This particular step is going to clear the residual electric charge and also resets the board. Now there is another method of doing it in which you just have to first of all close the lid and open and close it 6 times within 12 seconds. You should hear a click or you should see lights reset. This also reinitializes the lid lock system and control logic. Now you can also turn the washer on. Then you can rotate the cycle selector knob in the this particular pattern. First of all, you need to do the left one turn. After that, right third turn. Then there should be left one and then right one. So if done correctly, all the lights will flash and this put the washer into the diagnostic reset mode. So you can try all of these three reset methods and see if your Whirlpool washer is working properly again. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.